Welcome to Best RV Channels. Again, this is Nal from Best RV down in Turlock, California. We're representing today the Surveyor brand. We have the manufacturer representative, Russell Spencer, who came in today to go over the features and benefit of the Surveyor and why you need to come to Best RV and get the Surveyor for your camping trip. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
You bet.
We're super excited for 2025.
Nice.
This one that we're actually standing at right now is our 265 RBLE. New floor plan for 2025, so I'm super excited to show it to you. Some things with Surveyor. First off, every Surveyor gonna have that front window up front, right? Give you that, ambiance inside when you're in your bedroom and stuff, right? You're gonna have double tanks for your propane on there as well. Power front jack on everything. And you'll also see over here in your corner here, battery disconnect, and then your TPMS sensor.
So that's for the tire monitoring.
That is, yeah, and that's a big safety feature for consumers, right? Because that is a monitor that is going to go inside your truck. It's going to tell you two things. It's going to tell you heat and it's going to tell you air pressure. So if you have any kind of problems with these wheels as you're traveling, it's going to flash you and tell you to pull over. When you look at these tires, these are a Goodyear branded tire. With the beautiful rims. We really want that safety for the consumer, and towing is huge.
Could you explain to us on the 265 RBLE, what do you mean by extended seasons?
So a couple things. One, we do a 2-inch frame floor, so it's a 2-inch laminated floor.
Nice.
There is no duct work in our flooring, so all the heat and everything comes through the cabinets. No in-floor heat. One thing that we do is we seal the entire underbelly. We also run furnace-fed heat in there, so there's a duct coming from the furnace going into that underbelly.
Wow.
The third thing we do is we do heat pads on the tanks as well. So we have 12-volt heat pads on all of your tanks. Extended season, right? You can get out there, camp for longer.
So you have those blue lights on those speakers. So
just adds a little bit for the outside, right?
Then one thing about this particular floor plan, look how big this power awning with LED.
It's massive.
I mean, massive. It covers most of the trailers. That's another advantage for you. So you could extend the camping. Over here, I see this unit come with outdoor grill. It come with the outside shower, hot and cold. So you could rinse anything you want, hot and cold. And then it has also cable satellite TV and a 110 hookup. So I could set my TV outside and camping, setting my lounge chairs, my tables, eating, and enjoying the camping.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
All underneath that big awning.
Yes. So
that's one thing Surveyor does well. We definitely put the biggest awning we can on the coach for the consumer, right?
And then here's, I see you have typical 4-cylinder Surveyor. They have the Leopard expandable ladder. It's very safe. And rear camera prep, a spare tire with a cover. And you have the bike rack, so you could put a receiver, you could put a bike rack or cargo
rack.
This beautiful white light.
Yeah, a little motion light for the dump station, right? A lot of people when they're done camping, it's nighttime.
Yeah,
right, so when they go home. So that's right.
No more
just light up that area. One thing that we do at Surveyor too is we tuck all of our plumbing up as tight as we can to that framing member.
Yes.
So nothing's hanging down, nothing's getting smashed up by rocks and that kind of stuff, right?
Providing with endless hot water heaters. You don't have to wait for the hot water heater like the old school 6-gallon hot water. Now it's endless. And then I see here you have a nice
pass-through storage, inverter prep in that corner as well. So all of our Surveyors are going to come standard with 400 watts of solar on the roof.
Yes.
You have two 200-watt panels with a 30-amp controller.
I see that. That's nice.
Up in the corner there is the inverter prep. So
look how bright this LED light coming in. So Russell, I see we're inside the brand new floor plan, the Surveyor 265 RBLE. One thing I noticed, the LED lighting here is new and very bright.
It is.
You could not believe those LED lights.
It's more of a daytime light, so it's not so warm.
Exactly. And then I noticed this particular unit, it has a 3-seating area. Could you just tell us what's about those 3
so you've got your bar top here, which is super awesome with the nice stools. And gives you that just little bit of an extra eating area. Window to your campground side as well for the light. But you've got your recliners there, your theater seats as well. Cell phone charger in the center. So if you do need to sit 3 people, that does fold up as well.
You need to come here and try them.
You want to come sit up?
Yeah, sit here and try them. It's amazing. They're so comfy. You could sit in, charge your phone.
They're full recliners too,
Yeah.
right? So
and
you
then
get the full recline.
and then another thing here is you could take your phone and I like this idea. You put your phone and voila, you could see
Quick and easy.
Quick and
And
easy.
that's running off 12 volt,
Yeah,
right? Because we're not plugged in. So.
And then you have TV, watching a game, and a place for my drink.
That's what I like. I like the TV that is, you know, we're across now from our TV in this floor plan, so it allows you to entertain your people or yourselves, right?
And again, nobody. I'm not against anybody. There's still people who walk to the bathroom.
And our
feet up in the air.
That's one of the, you know, the big features of this floor plan is just this open area.
Yes.
Right here, you know, with the dinette being a full-size dinette, we're still able to have this bigger area, an open area, right?
Beautiful. And then you have a smart TV on a bracket. You could
nice big pantry, right? I mean, when you look in there, it's huge.
Huge. I mean,
massive storage
come with nets,
for your
even
consumers.
You could put whatever you want and look nice. Has the lip so things they don't fall off, and they have the net.
And again, just more residential, right? With the solid core doors.
Yes, so it's not a cheapy solid door with magnet. And you have a storage over the theater seatings. You have a storage over.
You know, one thing that we do with our storage doors too, we do the double struts on them, right?
Yes.
So that you don't have to hold them open with your head to load them, right?
Exactly, I noticed.
Just little things that we're doing, right? 10.7 cubic foot fridge here, so one of the larger fridges that we can put in this unit.
So I'm assuming this unit come with a 200 watt solar panel?
400.
400? Oh my God.
Got two 200 watt panels on this guy.
So 400 watt solar panel on the Surveyor 265 RBLE, and there are two 200, total 400. So you have no worry about running powers to run the refrigerators.
This will go forever as long as...
Yes. And then you have a nice microwave with a 3-burner range and an oven.
21-inch oven in there as well, so bigger oven than most.
And then you're still giving storage around the microwave. A lot of doors.
Don't forget the bottle opener.
Yeah, my bottle opener. And then you still have storage here and light and nice. And what's this here board? I mean, I've seen people hang these boards. What is
That's
exactly?
your cutting board.
Okay, go ahead.
Pops out.
Oh,
and it actually fits right inside that sink.
So I could use as a cutting, and voila! Look how seamless, flush, more counter space.
You know, one thing that we do, just when you look how wide our countertops are.
Yes.
Right, they're a lot wider than what's out there.
Yes, there's a
allowing
distance.
you for more room, right?
And even window. That's just nice. I like one-piece sink. And then I like this area is nobody in the way, so there's a lot of room to people walk behind, and more doors. Oh, and you give them a vacuum machine?
You betcha.
Oh my God! So the Surveyor
central vac with the toe kick.
With a toe kick.
Go and sweep all your stuff right here. It just sucks it right into the bag.
Exactly. And you give them the hardware, I'm assuming.
Absolutely.
Awesome. And then you have more shelves, more storage, place for cooking pans, utensils, more storage. Then I like what they did, the two-tone, you know, the glass.
Again, just more residential. Just trying to get that residential feeling in an RV, right?
And then we have a solid queen bed, I'm assuming, with the window in the front. And we have a solid pocket door, as you see. And then show them the storage, please, underneath the bed.
So we got two storage areas. We've got a full cabinet area back here, and then we've also got our drawers and stuff in the bottom.
Yes.
So just nice and easy for you. You know, the one thing that I really like that we do is this frontal area here, right? You've got your front window. You've got 110 and USB and USB-C ports in behind here as well. And you've got holes drilled through there. So if you have any kind of CPAP machines or anything that you need, it's definitely usable in this coach, right? We've also got 110 and USB down here as well. So both sides.
Both sides.
But full wardrobes, full hanging wardrobes, overhead storage, but still open in the front with shelves for drinks, books, whatever you're bringing to bed with you.
Yes, and then I see you could put a second TV. It already come with one TV, but if you want to add a TV, it's already set up for you for the TV in the bedroom.
And roller shades all throughout.
Yep.
Which is super nice.
The solid valance.
And these valances are nice too, because we did a solid valance now, so they're not, you know, a fabric. But we also squared out our windows and trimmed them out, you know, again, to look more residential and get that residential feel, right?
And Look how amazing this bathroom. Even I like that you have a sensor light as soon as I walked in.
Motion sensor in
Motion
there as well.
sensor. So if you don't turn the light at night, as soon as you walk in, you could see where you're stepping on. Nice sink with a solid medicine cabinet, as you see right here. I like this toothbrush. You could hang toothbrush, towels, sinks, and then nice toilet. It's a porcelain. And what this opening here is, Russell, I mean, I noticed you could put a lot of stuff
We're just trying to give you more room for laundry baskets.
Laundry basket, perfect. Look how deep this cabinet, more storage, more hanging clothes. It's amazing. Fantastic fan. And then they give you the nice shower not curtain, solid. You can see roller door, shower skylights. So it's amazing. Beautiful. I love the Surveyor. I love what they did for the brand new 2025. Folks, you need to come to Best RV and look at the RPod 265 and all Surveyors too. The Surveyor 265. It's amazing unit. Again, we have a price no one could match. No hidden fees, no bogus fees. Russell, thank you so much for coming in to Best RV, and keep the good work and keep the good job. And guys, come get the 4-server Surveyor from Best RV. Coming in.